Hello friends, today let's study about gastrointestinal conditions. There are many conditions in gastrointestinal like anorexia, indigestion, belching, sore tongue, hiccup, diarrhea, colicky pain, vomiting, duodenal ulcer, GRD, etc. So first let's study about anorexia. What is anorexia? It is loss of desire to eat. First we have to check whether it is cytophobia. What is cytophobia? It means fear of eating because eating may lead to pain. Means there are many conditions like oral ulcer, acute gastritis, which causes pain. So many people don't like to eat food due to pain. So it is loss of desire to eat. So it can be seen in any means in many diseases like viral hepatitis, alcoholic hepatitis, anemia, uremia, TB, stomach ulcer, and it can also be psychogenic. Like if a person is depressed, then too he doesn't have desire to eat food. So in this, we can give treatment like B complex tablets. Otherwise, we can also give cisplatin, Leu 52, and if patient is dehydrated due to not eating, then we can give IV dextrose. Mainly ask patient to do adequate exercise, which will help in anorexia. If the patient does not respond to this, then try to find out the cause and treat accordingly. If his hemogram, check hemogram for anemia, urine routine for UTI, serum bilirubin for jaundice, blood urea, create for uremia, chest x-ray for pulmonary conch. And gastroscopy also can be done for CA stomach. Gastroscopy or USG abdomen, we can know cancer of stomach. So first know the cause and then accordingly we can treat. So next is chronic indigestion. What is indigestion? Indigestion is non-specific. Patient means different symptoms like abdominal fullness, belching, water brush, heartburn, diarrhea, even headache or weight gain. These all conditions come under indigestion. So causes may be different, like upper GI problem like gastritis, hiatus hernia, or lower GI problems like giardiasis, worms, amoebiasis, or irritable bowel syndrome, or intolerance to food containing lactose in milk or wheat. Here you can give treatment. First of all, ask patient to avoid overeating. Prefer small meals at multiple times. So avoid overeating. Small meals multiple times. And if a person's weight is more, then ask him to reduce weight. And if a person is doing smoking and alcohol, then ask to stop. Avoid fatty food, and after every meal walking must be prescribed. Here you can give tablet dome style, which contains domeperidone 10 mg BD, or you can give Ciza MPS 10 mg BD before food. These both should be given before food. Then antacid also you can use, like Gelusil or Digin 30 ml after food, or Omez, this is also antacid 20 mg BD or OD. If this doesn't cure, then you have to do specific treatment. Most of patients respond to above this treatment, but in rare conditions investigation is required, like stool examination for amoebiasis, worms, USG abdomen for gallbladder, pancreatic problems, gastroscopy if required, and then accordingly, by knowing the diagnosis, you can treat it. Then next is belching. So what is belching? Belching is if a person swallows air, which is also called as aerophagia, then belching causes. In most of patient while taking food, if he takes it fast or by opening his mouth widely, then most of the air is gone inside, so belching occurs. So ask patient to avoid thumbs up, Coca-Cola. Then ask patient to eat slowly and chew food thoroughly, and ask patient to eat with his mouth closed and even belch his mouth closed. If belching persists, then one can give Gelusil MPS